So, this is, there is this song in 1967, a movie called Pyar Ka Mausam came. And, many people consider that Kishore really started scoring over Mohammed Rafi from Aradhna, 1969. But a lot of experts believe that there is a song which came in 1967 from Pyar Ka Mausam, which started this process, which was the song Tum Bin Jaun Kahan. So we are presenting a mashup version of that today. We are going to present so in the movie, this song keeps coming throughout. So it's overall comes some 6 times. So there is a happy version, a sad version, this thing. So overall, Kishore Kumar sings 3 times and Rafi sings 3 times in the movie. But we have combined all of that into one song, taken a few lines from the sad version and taken the Kishore Kumar part and the Rafi part. So me and Manoj will do that for you. And Mandy, our man on Mandolin 1979 batch, 1981 batch, Mandy. He's the star of this particular song.
मेरी नजर में तो सिर्फ तुम हो, कुछ और मुझको पता नहीं है। तुम्हारी महफिल से उठ रहा हूँ, मगर कहीं रास्ता नहीं है।
Hey, चाहत भी तुमको चाह के तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ के दुनिया में आके कुछ न फिर चाहत भी तुमको चाह के तुम बिन रह भी सकोगे तुम कैसे होके हमसे जुदा, हट जाएंगी दीवारें सुन के मेरी सदा, आना होगा तुम्हें मेरे लिए साथी मेरी सुनी राह के।
सर से कदम तक सिर्फ प्यार हूँ मैं, गले से लगा के तुम्हारा बेकरार हूँ मैं, तुम क्या जानोगे भटकता रहा किस किस गली तुमको चाह के
तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ के दुनिया में आके, कुछ न फिर चाह कभी तुमको चाह के, तुम बिन।
Mandolin. Okay, so I'm sure Hostel 3. So, Mandy, when we thought about doing the YPO, I remember the first EP that we did, Hostel 3, Hostel 2. You know, so Katri was there, and that was the first time I performed in IIT under the leadership of Mandy. So I remember YPO करना तो मैंने कहा चलो Mandy को पहले phone करते हैं. We tracked him down. The guy is really silent. Nobody knew where he was. But we tracked him down. He was in Chennai. I said YPO कर रहे आपको आना है. So Hostel 3 Mechanical 81 batch. And one thing we should do is when we introduce some of these people, we are all 80 class of 85. So there are only two choices. Senior, salute मारना है. Junior, freshy है. I won't say it. Okay. So senior है, salute मारते हैं. By the way, Hostel 3 and Mechanical.
And his actual name is Rajesh Shevalkar.